Hey guys, Mike Corbishley here with Lowrance, telling you the difference between the HDS Lives and the HDS Pro units, which just came out last year from Lowrance. Your visual differences you'll be able to see right off the bat is this blue button on the top right hand corner. But you know, I've had a lot of questions about this and where the price difference comes into account between these two units because they look alike on paper. The biggest difference is, for me, number one is going to be this active imaging HD transducer. So this is a new transducer that we've developed, and it's an extremely high resolution side scan, down scan transducer. We had active imaging 2-in-1 and 3-in-1 prior to this, but this is the HD. You'll be able to plug this directly into the back of your HDS Pro unit, and it'll give you extremely high resolution. If you wanted to plug this into the back of an HDS Live, you would need to run a box in between a sounder module, which we would call an S3100. So in order to run this through the HDS Live, you would need an S3100, which will cost you over $1,000 at a retail price. So you've got that built in, that sounder built into that HDS Pro, and then you have, in addition to that, we've got our CMAP onboard mapping, which took a lot of our CMAP reveal data in different regions of the country, and it's all loaded directly into this HDS Pro unit off the bat. The third, and one of the biggest differences, is the ability to ping sync these units. So we've got, in today's world, it's not uncommon to see 3, 4, 5, I've seen as many as 6 MFDs or multifunction devices on the boat. With that comes a lot of different transducers. You've got your 2 or 3 transducers in the back of the boat, a couple in the front, and all these transducers will crosstalk with each other and cause some interference. So what we can do with the HDS Pros is ping sync these. You can connect the wires and you can tell through your HDS Pro to ping sync the transducers and eliminate all the interference so you don't have all that crosstalk and see that pulsing effect on your screen from other transducers. So that's the biggest difference.